Hi, welcome to the galley and a Pilot House chat. Now, we haven't had a Pilot House chat in quite a long time, and if you're new here, I kind of sit up here when I'm not in the galley talking about important boat things and storage and stuff like this. But today, this information is for everybody, no matter where you live, what kind of space you live in. This is important information. And it's about garlic, and it's not about what recipe I'm going to make with the garlic. It's about garlic from China versus garlic from the USA. Now, half of the world's garlic is grown in China. And 10 years ago, almost all of American garlic was grown in China, and most of that in California, in Gilroy, California. Now, in that 10 years, we've started importing garlic from China. And I think you need to know just how bad this garlic from China is for you. And let's start with the fact that to pick out garlic, so you know what's American, you know what's China. China always scoops out the roots. American always leaves the roots in. And two reasons. One is that the Department of Agriculture will not let the soil from China touch our soil because it contains foodborne illnesses. And it's also takes weight off the garlic, so when they ship it, it's cheaper to ship. Now, they bleach their garlic, so and that bleaching makes it look white, makes it look pretty, also stops it from sprouting. It's treated with a neurotoxin. I wrote it down, methylene bromide, because I knew I would be here and go, oh shoot, I forgot how to say it. Methylene bromide, which is banned here in the United States, and it can cause respiratory issues, and it can cause central nervous system issues. So I know that all sounds really bad. Well, you know what? It gets worse because in China they use sewage water to water their garlic. I mean, oh, I I think I might risk the neurotoxin over the sewer water. So that's another thing they use. They use pesticides and all kinds of things that are not allowed here in the United States. So because we have taken on importing all this garlic from China, it is shutting down garlic farmers here in the USA. So that's another right there reason is to keep American garlic farmers alive and to not buy this poison. Now, American garlic is sweeter, where the garlic from China is more bitter and contains a lot of heavy metals. The American garlic has way more allicin, and I think if you've watched me, you've heard me talk about the allicin in the garlic, and this allicin is what provides it with all its benefits. It's cancer fighting benefits. It lowers your cholesterol, lowers your blood pressure, all of that good stuff. With this, has way less of that. And so, did I cover everything? I wrote notes because I always go to edit and think of all the things I forgot to say. So I think I covered everything. So what's the important part today is don't buy garlic from China, and share this video, share this information with everybody you know, verbally, however you want to share it. This information needs to reach everybody. I wish I had a big platform where I could really be reaching a lot of people. So help me reach those people so that we stop eating and buying poison, and we support American garlic farmers. And most of the garlic from China comes in mesh bags, not always. So it can be loose. So just make sure there's no tag that says product of China. I hope you can see that. So get the word out. Share, share, share. And don't buy the garlic in the jars or the garlic in the tubes because it could say packed in the USA, but that doesn't mean that the garlic wasn't imported into the USA already peeled, because sometimes they can get it cheaper. And another disturbing fact is the garlic that comes pre-peeled from China. They use prisoners, and they force prisoners to peel it. And when the garlic, after a while, eats their fingernails off, they use their teeth to peel it. So it doesn't take long to chop some garlic. Get a garlic press. Buy fresh garlic. Don't buy it pre-peeled. Don't buy it in a jar. Don't buy it in a tube. Buy it from America and just chop it yourself. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope that you share all of this. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Share the word. And until next time, safe cruising.